First initial M, middle name Craig, surname Campbell, so M.C.R.A.I.G. C-A-M-P-B-E-L-L. I started 27 years ago through the Western Development Museum. They have an introduction to blacksmithing weekend class, and I started there. I come from a heavy equipment background, Northern Rock Quarries. Started university at age 30, got a commerce degree, but was not very satisfied in university, sitting at a desk making paper, looking for a hobby, and tried a few different things. Skydiving, woodworking, blacksmithing is the one that stuck. Mostly because of the very friendly, engaging, welcoming community of blacksmiths that are in the province. And part of that, to give a little background, blacksmiths and the trade of blacksmithing almost died with the perfection of the arc welder in World War II and industrialization. There wasn't a lot of need for blacksmiths anymore, but it was reborn in the United States in the 70s as an art form. So for the first time, the blacksmith was not working to someone else's orders, directions, plans, but they were using it as a method, a technique to create an end product for their own desire. So artistic blacksmithing was born. Every line, every texture, every hammer mark is imparted for a reason. To move the metal to where it needed to be, or to impose a texture that invites the human touch. So we talk about it in terms of like a diamond. So a diamond, the facets of a diamond as you rotate it through the light. And blacksmithing has a similar, every texture mark from every individual hammer blow will capture light slightly differently. So you can rotate that forged object around in the light and see it see every texture mark put into it intentionally. And it begs to be touched. The friendliness of blacksmiths to share with each other and outside our own trade has been phenomenal. I can go to most any blacksmith shop on the planet and strike up a conversation and be invited in, and maybe be invited to stay and work. I was in Florence, Italy, and I found this old blacksmith puttering around in this shop in the craft district of Florence across the Arno River, and I went, and no common language, but we sorted out that we were both blacksmiths. He just invited me in to enjoy his shop, and I asked questions and read all the articles he had on the wall. He was one of the probably pioneers on the artistic blacksmithing front and was having shows internationally as a young man in his 40s. And now he's in his mid-70s. Wonderful day for me.
Well, that's pretty much it. Anything else you want to say? Any advice or any kind of final?
No, really, I talk too much anyway. So.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, guys.
On the shoes, see the hot sparks are flying like 4th of July. He's even got the horses swapping pop down the avenue. Folks love the rhythm, the clang, bang, and rhythm. You get a lot of kicks out of the blacksmith blues.